Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we have a Madame Glam box. So let's have a look. Alright, so we have the Neon Wave collection. June shines with bold energy and radiant color, a celebration of individuality, joy, and sunlit days ahead. Celebrate your true colors with vivid, long-lasting shades that speak of pride, freedom, and summer's glowing spirit, where every hue is a tribute to love and all its forms and the confidence to shine bright. This June, step into a sun-kissed spectrum of color, where dreamy brights collide with a touch of electric charm. Our newest collection pairs smooth, creamy neons with sparkling finishes to bring you a vibrant twist of neons, bold yet soft, joyful yet refined. It's your moment to glow with pride and play with colors like never before. Turn up the color this season with the Neon Wave collection, an electrifying mix of 4 bold neon creams and 4 dazzling neon glitters, designed to celebrate self-expression, sunshine, and all things vibrant. This lineup is your go-to for statement nails with radiant confidence. Whether you're sparkling in the sun or glowing after dark, each shade is a burst of bold energy in an unapologetic pride. Beautiful. If you are not familiar, Madame Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, and 21 formula-free. Alright, so here are our colors, and boy, are they bright. I am going to take off the current nail decorations I have on so we can do some nails. Okay, so here's the idea. I've got this ombre brush. I put down this color. This is Food Coma, also from Madame Glam. And I have my colors set out here in 2 groupings. And I got some Madame Glam blooming gel. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to do like a bit of a bloomed marble. I'm going to put one little group of colors for one end and the other group of colors for the other end. We're going to put blooming gel on, and I'm going to be like blah, 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 and then blah, 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 with the other group. So that's the idea. Let's zoom in a little bit though. Alright, let's start with this guy just so we can get a good look. As you know, I would normally start over here and work my way in, but because this does cure, we don't have to do it that way. So let's put our blooming gel on. Don't want too much. I do want to kind of get as thin and even of a coat as I can. I know if you make it too thin, it can struggle a little bit to bloom, but we also don't want it just to go haywire either. We don't want too much. So we've got that on there. We're going to take our brush and I'm going to scoop up some of one, and we're going to put it like this, and then I'm going to scoop up some of the other, and we're going to put it like that. Okay? Let's do it. Alright, so blue. Boop, 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 boop. We didn't get very much of that blue to show up, so that's alright. Gotta clean your little brush in between, but that means that our next scoops may be a little different. Let's do this color grouping down here. Okay, so we've got that bloom going. It's looking kind of cool, kind of crazy. I'm going to take this lint-free wipe and just kind of run it on the edges a little bit, pardon me. That way it does start to pull off some of that extra. We don't want it to be super thick. Do the end a little bit. Yeah, okay. That's looking pretty decent, I think. Now we are going to need to flash cure this because it's going to keep blooming if we don't. Okay, so that's what we've got for this one. I'm going to put this down so I can put these on here. And we'll do the next one. And this one I'm going to turn around first so we can bloom this end first. just to give that end more time. Like this one had more time on the top one. I'm gonna do a little variety. Okay. All right, so we have quite a bit going on up here at the top. This one is going to bloom together, probably. I'm gonna smooth this out just a smidge over here on the side so it's not super lumpy. And then we'll do the same thing with this. Try and pull some of that excess off of the edges. Okay, I'm gonna give that one a little flash cure. On to the next one. Okay, so that's what we've got going for this one. And of course, the same thing. I am gonna have to swap my little lint-free wipe here shortly because it is just getting covered in gel. Not bad. Let me cure that one. Okay. All right, and then this one we're gonna flip around this way again. There we go. That one's got a pretty interesting pattern. You just never really know what the patterns are gonna come out looking like. And then we'll start pulling that off these edges. Not bad, what do you think? Let me flash cure that one. Okay, one more. A hair is trying to be a part of what I've got going here, and I do not want it to be. Okay, now this part. There we go, and I'll flash cure that one. Okay, let's have a look. Here's what we've got. These are gonna go in the lamp for a full cure for everything, and then we're gonna come back and top coat. There we go. They're looking very neon and summery. I do have this Madame Glam No Wipe top coat though that we are gonna go ahead and put on here and make them nice and shiny. Okay, so here's what we have. Very shiny, very cute. I am liking these. Now, what you can do, and what I may do, is go around the edges with a hand file just to crispen them up because gel is thick. And so it can cause your edges to get a little bloated. You don't have to smooth them out with a file if you don't care that much about it, but you definitely can. I am gonna go ahead and get you some photos though, outside in the daylight so that you can see these beauties up close. Definitely let me know what you think, and let me know what you think of this collection. I like it. I'm a big fan of neons. I don't know if you knew that, being as I'm a spooky beach, but I do love neon paint. And this is a perfect collection for summer. There is a link in the description for Madame Glam, as well as a discount code that should also be on the screen. So definitely feel free to use that if you want to pick these up. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Please do hit the like button. If you like this video, the algorithm thinks you, and so do I. Definitely make sure you're subscribed so you're not missing my videos when I do post them. We are going to be on a bit of a reduced posting long form schedule here over the next couple of months, just due to limitations with my time and availability. So we're going to do at least one a week. Some weeks may have more than one, but we're not going to have the guaranteed 2 every week. There will still be plenty of short form videos and extra content, so do not worry. Definitely make sure that you are checking the channel membership and see if any of those perks are something you'd be interested in. And if you do decide to join, I appreciate your support and I'm glad to have you. But that's it for this video. Thank you again. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.